Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 26 June 2018, 18 of hour, 07 of minute and 32 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how do I install my HP printer? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how do I install my HP printer. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about how do I install my HP printer. Note: turn on the printer. If your printer is connected to the computer with the USB cable, disconnect the cable from the printer. Go to HP, Customer Support, Software and Driver Downloads. If prompted, select a method to identify your printer model, and then follow the on-screen instructions to go to the download page. More items. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.